Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to access and navigate PressReader through Western libraries. We're going to start by going to lib.uwo.ca and we're going to use summon to look for PressReader. You can also search through the catalog, but they get the same result and summon's already on the first page, so whichever you'd prefer is great. PressReader is our first result. It's going to be a web resource. We can just click right through and it'll take us, generally ask you to sign in first. But it's going to take us right to PressReader, I believe. Oh, right. So there is a PressReader mobile app, which you're welcome to use. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're just going to use the web version. So, we've got a breakdown by category here on the left. We can see top stories in Canada or other areas if you'd prefer. It does operate primarily by side-scrolling, which can be a pain, but is okay for today. So up in the top left-hand corner here, we're going to click Publications, and that's going to allow us to siphon our results. So PressReader also has newspapers, but for today we're just going to look for magazines. We're actually going to look for Elle Canada by searching Canadian publications. And it breaks it down even further once you've selected your nation. And then we're going to go to categories. You can see it's broken down a heck of a lot here. And we're just going to scroll back up to fashion. So PressReader really loves the side scroll. There doesn't seem to be a way you can click through, but you can click on this bar down here, which will take you to different sections of the publication. Now these are popular magazines, but in the context of Western libraries, these would be used for study. There are also academic magazines, one of which is the Scholars Showcase magazine, published here at Western, and these academic magazines are generally just comprised of student publications, whether it's art or comics, essays, poetry, that type of stuff. And I've opened their Fall 2014 edition here. So this is all student publications from here at Western. And that's our crash course in Pressbooks, as well as one of our student publications here at Western. Thanks.